Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Blocks coming back to you with another awesome video. Now, I know you haven't seen me here much, but your girl is still around, okay? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose up to 22 pounds in only 15 days. And this is extreme, okay? This is so simple, it's so easy, and yes, you can lose up to 22 pounds in 15 days, all right? So let me show you exactly what to do. All right, you guys, what we're gonna need is simple. We're gonna need some cumin powder. Cumin is a very powerful herb, and when using this, it's going to help to burn calories faster by increasing the speed of your metabolism and also improving your digestion. We're also going to need some ground cinnamon powder. Belly fat, which is linked to an increased risk of heart diseases, diabetes, and some forms of cancer, is not easy to get rid of. Cinnamon, on the other hand, helps you to lose visceral fat and supports weight loss. Antimicrobial and antiparasitic properties of cinnamon makes it one of the healthiest spices of all time. We're going to also need some nutmeg. Nutmeg is an excellent source of fiber, which is a good source to lose weight. Nutmeg is high in fiber content, which can help you to feel fuller when you are cutting down on the calories. Some organic honey. Honey helps to control your appetite, and if you consume honey before bed, the body begins to burn more fat during the early hours of sleep. And my favorite milk, some almond grease. Okay? Now in the cup, you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of your cumin powder. Add that in there. And we're also going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of our cinnamon powder. Next, we're going to add in some nutmeg. And we're going to put in probably like a quarter teaspoon of our nutmeg. Now we're going to use some boiling water. Okay. And we're going to stir that in there really good. Okay, all right, I'm just going to place something over it and allow it to steep for at least 3 minutes, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back, and my tea is nicely steeped. So what I'm going to do now is just add a teaspoon of my honey, although you really don't need the honey because of the cinnamon, but if you want a little extra flavor, you can add in the honey, which is okay. And lastly, I'm just going to add in a little bit, probably a teaspoon of my milk, to make it more like a chocolatey or cocoa-ish type of beverage. And there you have it, you guys. Now what you're going to do is you're going to drink this 30 minutes before breakfast every morning for at least 15 days. And you're also going to make another portion of this in the evening and drink it before bed. And it's just that simple. Okay? Do this for 15 days and you will definitely see some weight loss. You will lose up to 22 pounds in 15 days on this wonderful, easy to make beverage. Okay? And there it is. Quite tasty. Okay. All right. So you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Check down below for the herbs that you will find in my eBay store for the cumin seeds. The cumin powder as well as other wonderful items. You can also add in some of this organic black seed and honey to sweeten it if you do not want to use the regular honey. You will get a whole lot more benefit with this. Your tea will be a different color, but don't worry. It's okay. It's going to boosting your tea. You will find this also in the eBay store down below. Wonderful, powerful benefits for the black seed with honey. I'm telling you, it's awesome. Okay, so you can add this in twice a day, 30 minutes in the morning and also before bed. You will see massive weight loss in your body. Okay, check down below for those herbs in the eBay store, as well as also check out the other links that I have in there for the full size and personal size NutriBullet blenders, as well as the metal straws. Okay, you will find that as well down in the description bar. Also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skin care, beauty care, family challenges, and vlogs. Okay, and also you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.